So with our yard and all the gardens that we have here, growing lots of vegetables and bringing in lots of insects, as well as a lot of water features, it has been bringing in all kinds of birds. So here I'm going to go over some of the most common woodpeckers I have seen. And the first most common one is the Nuttals. We see the Nuttals everywhere in our yard. And here, for some reason, this poor male, who's got the red head, was being chased by two females. Don't know what that was all about, but it was fun to watch that morning. And yes, they stalked him. But the male was red and the females have no color, as you will see here. But you know they're around a lot of times simply by the hammering. You hear that little tap, tap, tap. They have a very soft little shriek when they call out, a chirp. And I know they're around, but that hammering is what you hear. And they're not shy. I can sit out there and do photography with them and they'll just sit and look at me. Such a pleasure to have around. They are the most common. I actually see them every single day. They hang around on the trees, upside down, looking for insects and doing whatever they do. Now here is one that was an unusual one to see in my pepper tree, the red-breasted sapsucker. Didn't expect to see that, wasn't even sure what it is. Now look at him with his coloring and you'll see his entire head is red. He was very shy and he knew I was there, so he didn't want to move. But the entire head is red. And his eyes are outlined in black with a long, very light colored beak. Very beautiful bird, a larger bird than the Nuttals. Almost like a dove-like size. That was the first time I've ever seen him, but they're quiet, so I didn't know he was even around. It was just a coincidence that I was in the right place at the right time in my yard. He was hopping around and looking in the large pepper tree I have that the hawks nest in each year. So there was something in there that he wanted, and that's where he stopped. Beautiful markings, very similar to the Nuttals, with the black and white markings on the back, and the shiny black markings as well. But do see his head, he's got an entire red head. And to my surprise, for the first time, I have seen the Acorn Woodpecker. And the reason I knew he was there is he was loud. He was shrieking like a parrot. And I thought, what is that? And I grabbed my camera and there he is. He's large. He's like a pigeon size almost. Bulky bird. Note on the back, no striping or spots. Very, very black. Very much like a blackbird. And the head was so red, and look at the eyes with his black mask. His eyes are almost white. Very striking looking bird. The head with the red is absolutely beautiful. One of the most beautifully marked birds I have seen. Look at that. And then we have the northern flicker that comes through here quite often. We do see them a lot in the early spring. They consider them a woodpecker too. And you can hear him call. And they do hang around here, not so much hammering on the trees, but more flying from tree to tree, and at times even going up on the telephone poles to hang out. Those are the four we see, and it's just so fun to watch the woodpeckers here in Southern California. And I'm going to put the four together so you can stop your video if you want to look at them in case you see some, to see which one did you see in your yard, or have you seen all four? I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did like it, hey, maybe you'll like and subscribe. I do hope you enjoyed this. Have a great day.